Oh, this is so much fun this morning. Oh, we're in the middle of an ice storm. You know, you know I'm from the East Coast. Pittsburgh and Cleveland. I don't think I've never saw an ice storm. I saw black ice on the ground, but I don't think I saw an ice storm. I saw freezing rain. I used to think freezing rain was snow. Who knows? Maybe I'll get to see snow this year. Shoot. We were in a power outage for a while. Power just came back on about 10-15 minutes ago. I wouldn't be surprised if it goes back out again. With all these high winds we got. It went out about 2:30 this morning, my time. But I got my backup lantern. For light. I use my lantern at night anyways, regardless. So it really didn't affect me too much. Made my coffee. It's 20 degrees in Portland, Oregon. I feel like I'm in Cleveland. Well, let me get off here.